Hi, this is a quick video to demonstrate how to use EMSlice to model a radio network in an environment where one or more components are moving. So to start off with, I'm opening a building design that I created earlier, and I'm going to add a wayline. So this is a path that a user might take if they were walking through this building. Now, given that path that a user might walk, I'm going to add a receiver, then edit that receiver to make it move on that wayline. So we have an on wayline property. I'm going to set it to wayline 1 and apply. Now, in the time management tab, I'm going to limit the movement to the first 60 seconds, moving at 0.2 second intervals, and progress forward, and we'll see that the receiver is moving through the environment on the wayline that I just traced out. And then when it reaches the end, it simply stops. What I'm now going to do is add a radio transmitter to this environment. For example, in this corner. I don't need the heat map for this example, so I'm going to change the building properties, and instead of heat map, I just want to see the propagation path. And now if we play again, we can see what the propagation path looks like as the receiver moves through the environment. For speed and simplicity, I'm just going to reduce the propagation complexity. So to do that, I'm going to limit to 3 traces with 2 reflections and a maximum of 2 reflections and 2 transmission. We play again, and we see what the propagation path looks like from the transmitter to the receiver as the receiver moves through this environment. Now I'm going to add a separate object to the environment. So let's make it a cube and place it here. And I also want to add a wayline for the cube to move along. So let's start it here, going down, and now if I edit the object, I again have the on wayline parameter, which I set to wayline 2. And now if I play that, I'll see that the cube is interacting with the radiation. So for example, under some circumstances it's reflecting or it's blocking the signal. And now we see that the cube is a reflector that's reflecting the signal from the base station to the receiver. So this kind of simulation can be done with multiple transmitters and receivers moving on different paths with different objects, be they a sphere, a cube, a drone, a self-driving vehicle, or some other object. And in this using this type of simulation, we can look at how networks perform when one or more components of the network is mobile. So, thanks for watching.